Indian students' F1 visa rejected under 214B. What went wrong? I had admits, funding, and a plan, and still got denied. That's what one Indian student wrote after being handed a 214B refusal at her F1 visa interview, despite a dream to admit to Northeastern University. Countdown to reapplication, 90 days. She says the officer barely listened, rejected over 10 people before her, and sent her home devastated. Like this video if you've faced a 214B shock or are scared you might. What's going on? A student from New Delhi shared her visa horror story on Reddit after being denied an F1 visa on July 1st. She was headed to Northeastern for a master's in supply chain management, had admits from 2 schools, financial backing, and a clear career goal. She told the consular officer about her 2.5-year career at a real estate firm, her father's business funding her, and even her education loan. The answer? A 214B refusal slip. 214B equals failure to prove intent to return home. Real Indian voices plus red pill moment. Her post triggered a flood of reactions online. Only thing I can think of is you didn't convince him you'd come back after studies. Another user said, might be a blessing in disguise. My friends graduated from Northeastern, came back jobless. Here's the red pill. Even a strong profile doesn't guarantee approval. Under 214B, the burden is 100% on the students to show ties to India, and one vague answer can sink the whole interview. What you can do plus survival mode. Reapplying? Craft your story differently. Don't sound robotic. Link your answers together. Show proof of ties. Mention family, business obligations, future career in India. Funding? Be precise. State your father's business revenues, savings, and explain why funding is sustainable. If you got a 214B, don't panic. You can reapply. But fix your narrative first. Have you faced or feared a 214B? Type yes or no in the comments. Let's see how many are in this boat. 214B is crushing dreams every day, but it's not the end. If you're reapplying, type round 2 below. If you survived a 214B and later got your visa, share your story to help others. And don't forget to subscribe for real student visa talk, rejection fixes, and success strategies.